Hi, I'm Dale from Edwards Garage, and today we're going to have a look at this 2018 Terrain SLE model. This one's equipped with a 1.6 liter turbo diesel engine, so the economy is going to be just fantastic on it. Come on, let's have a look and see how nice she is. So we'll just do a little quick walk around. This thing comes in a crimson red tint coat, color coordinated mirror caps on it. They've got the black plastic trim along the bottom just to kind of break it up a little bit. 17-inch alloy wheels, so it won't break the bank when you're buying tires or having to replace tires for it. Lots of storage in the back of it here. Power lift gate. A little bit of under storage there. Rear seats on this thing will lay right flat. So lots of room to put stuff in there. Simple push of the button and she closes up for you. Roof racks on if you got a kayak or some sort of a carrier or something like that you want to put on the roof. And very nice inside. So up front, all your controls are right here, easy to reach. You've got paddles on the back side of your steering wheel for your volume controls, for your tuning on the other side of the steering wheel. From this part of the steering wheel, we can run our information display on the dash, cruise control over here. One feature I love is down here is the two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive mode. So right now it's in two-wheel drive for your best economy. Roads get a little bit dicey out there. You throw it into all-wheel drive mode. Roads get really dicey out there. Click it once more and it'll go to extreme mode. So that uses a combination of your traction control and StabiliTrak along with the all-wheel drive system to keep you safe and sound on the highway.